Turning to the COVID-19 situation in South Korea, which saw 1,715 new cases on Tuesday. More worrying, the country has seen the number of patients in critical condition hit the highest in 74 days. This comes just days before the national college entrance exam, raising concerns amongst high school students and parents. Today, health authorities asked everyone to strictly follow virus prevention measures and get vaccinated. Shin Ye-eun reports.
South Korea on Tuesday reported the highest number of patients in critical condition in more than 2 months. 425 were reported to be critically ill, the highest tally in 74 days. 18 more people died, bringing the death toll to nearly 3,000. Around 48% of COVID-19 cases in the last 2 weeks of October and 38% of patients in critical condition had been fully vaccinated. The health authorities say most of those breakthrough cases were traced back to seniors who had received vaccinations in the first half of this year.
First, one thing should be clear. Those who haven't been vaccinated are at a much higher risk of getting infected than those who have been. Another thing is that most people over the age of 60 were vaccinated early this year. As the effectiveness of the vaccine decreases with time, they are more likely to get infected.
That's why they're encouraging vaccinations, a key part of the government's gradual return to normal scheme. South Korea on Tuesday finished fully vaccinating 76.9% of the population. This includes high school seniors who are waiting to take the national college entrance exam on November 18th. The Ministry of Education has said the exam will take place on the same day as usual, the third Thursday of November, even if there's a surge in cases before then. Last year, the exam had been postponed by 2 weeks. But authorities say this time they're much better prepared. They've already designated 176 rooms for students in quarantine to take the test. And there are 450 separate rooms for students who show symptoms on the day of the exam. Students who have contracted the virus have been in designated hospitals from last week. The number of those in quarantine or who have COVID-19 has not yet been revealed. To reduce the risk of students catching the virus just ahead of the exam, from Thursday, all high school classes for seniors will be held online. Shin Ye-eun, Arirang News.